Jacob sells 3/4 of his 432 cupcakes at the school fete and gave half the remaining cupcakes to his friends. How many cakes are left unsold? Good. Now we're talking about 432 cupcakes. That's a lot of it. Good. And 3/4 of it was sold. Good. Now let's try to draw these cupcakes. So that means we got one cupcake, and then two, and then three, and then four, and then 51, 52, 53. We go to 135, 36, 37, 200, 201, 202, 298, 99, 300, and then we go to 400, 401, 402. We go to 430, 431 and 432. Now we've been able to draw out all the cakes, 432 cakes. Let's put that in a box. So we're in a box here. Beautiful. Good. Let's just try to bring it down a bit. Bring it down here. Good. Now that is 432 cakes. So we have 400, 400, and 32 cupcakes. Good. Now 3/4 was sold. 3/4 was sold. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, let's go this way. Let's see if we can draw this here. That's the cakes there. And then half of it here, 3/4. That means we divide everything into four parts. So 3/4. So that means this part here was sold. Let's just try to make this the same. Okay, so this part here was sold. So that's 1/4 was sold. And then we have another quarter here. So this side was also sold. Okay, let's go for black here. So this side was also sold. Good. And then this one was also sold. Good. So the remaining part was not sold. So 3/4, 3/4 sold. Now, if 3/4 was sold, and that means 1/4 was not sold. This one here, not sold. Not sold. Good. We didn't sell it. Good. So we have that. So 1/4 was not sold. Good. Now, going back to the question, it says that the part that was not sold, that's a quarter that was not sold, then half of it was given to his friends. So we need to know this amount here that was not sold. We need to know it. So that's what we need to go after. So if 3/4 was sold, then 1/4 was not sold. Now let's zoom in into this 1/4 that was not sold. How do we go about doing that? Now we're going to use the cross multiplication method. Now, 4 here stands for the total. 4 stands for the total number of cakes, which is 432. And then 3 of it, 3 out of 4, we divided the whole cakes into 4 equal parts. 3 out of the 4 equal parts were sold, and 1 out of 4 was not sold. And that's what we're after. We're after the 1 out of 4 that was not sold. Good. So we can put it this way. 4 here stands for the whole number of cakes. So 4 here. It stands for 432 cakes that were sold. Now 3 here, that stands for that was sold. And then 1/4, which is 1 here, the 1 here stands for amount left. Okay, amount left. Good. Now we're going for that amount left. We want to know how many that was not sold, that was left. Good. So what we're going to do is we're going to go this way. We're going to rub this one off. We don't need this one here. And then this one is what we need. So we're going to take this one here. We're going to bring it up here. Good. And now we're going to go again. We're going to remove this one here. We're going to put an equal sign there. So 4 stands for 432. That's the total of cakes. And then the 1 stands for what was not sold. So we're going to rub this one off. And then we're going to put an equal sign there. And then amount sold, we don't know it. That's what we want to get. So we're going to rub this one off. And then we're going to put X. Good. Okay, you can put X cupcakes. So cakes. And then cakes. We don't need to put the cakes, but so 4 there stands for 402 cakes, and then 1 there stands for X number of cakes which we want to get. So from here we can use cross multiplication and then we're done. So here we can come this way here. This one is complete. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And then this one here, we can take this one here, and this is what we're looking for. Good. So let's go. So we go here. X will be X number of cakes will be what? Will be a 1 times 432 divided by a 4. We know that 1 times 432 will give us 432. So we don't need to bother about that. So we can just zoom in on this. We can zoom in on this one here and then on this one there. So good. But we can still go step by step. So we can say x is equal to 1 times 432 is 432 divided by 4. We're going to use the short method, short division method. Okay, 4 here 1 and the 4 here 1. So we have a 1 down there. And 4 in 3, it's too small, so that's going to be 0. And then we're going to go for 32, which is going to be 8. So our answer there is what? 108 over 1, which is 108. So 108 is the part that was not sold. So we have 108. So this is 108 cupcakes. Beautiful. Good. Now we're now told that the 108 cupcakes, half was given to his friends. So we have this. Let's go for that. So we have this. This is 108. Good. This is 108. 108. Then half of it. So if you cut it into half. So this one here was given to his friends. And then we are now asked that what is this that's left? Oh, so it's just 108 divided by 2. So 108 divided by 2, we're going to get what? 2 in 10 as a 5 and 2 in 8 as a 4. Oh, so here, this one was given to his friends, so that's going to be 54. And then this one, oh, that's a 54, they're not a 52, it was a 4. And then this one was, yes, was not sold. And then that is going to be 54 also. So our answer is going to be this amount here. So our answer is going to be 54 cakes. So ENS, our answer, ENS is equal to 54 cupcakes. Cupcakes. Beautiful.